Hi, I'm Abigail James. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about a relaxing massage. Yes, we are going to be working on our faces, but I just wanted to do a massage that's going to help us switch off, slow down, take a moment for ourselves, and just give ourselves a little bit of self-care. So, yes, you will need an oil, but we're not going to start with that. We're going to start with releasing off our neck and shoulders. Dry hands, we're going to warm them. Rub them together. Place them over your eyes. Drop the shoulders. Embrace the darkness and the warmth that you might be feeling from your hands. Slow the breathing down. Remove, and then we're going to place our hands on our shoulders. Next to our neck, we've got fingertips gripping the back of our shoulders, and we're going to squeeze and lift, release slightly and pull forwards with your fingers all the way to your clavicle. And we're going to repeat that 3 times in total. So pull forwards and again. Give yourself a hug. So whichever arm feels natural over the top. You may get to here, you may be able to wrap closer. Just give your fingers a little bit of a tug so you can squeeze in tight. Release the shoulders. Let go, and then put the other arm on top. Give yourself a hug. I think we all need a hug every day. Squeeze, drop the shoulders and release. We're going to be doing some work on our scalp just to release off the tension in our scalp. So we're going to press our fingers in and make a shampooing movement, just as if you were washing your hair. You can make it a static movement, or you can really get involved and move the tissue of the scalp around. Start at the front and work your way backwards. Be as firm as you like. Taking your hands round to the back. Squeezing, circular movements. And then placing your thumbs at the base of your skull, like so, and we're going to be massaging around the base where our head meets our neck. Really firm circles. It might be nice to take the head back and also take the head forwards while you're pressing and circling. We're going to move to our fingers. We're going to cup the neck, fingers either side of the spine, press in and massage. So we're doing that kind of movement, either side of the spine. And then when we're ready, hold and pull forwards. Gentle pumping at the front. I'm going to repeat that again 3 times. Pull forwards. And again. Let's do a neck stretch. So we're going to take ear to shoulder. Use your hand to create a little bit of weight to create the stretch. Hold this for as long as you would like. And then repeat on the other side. So ear to shoulder, create the stretch. So neck and shoulders should be feeling a little bit more relaxed. We're now going to apply the oil to our face. It doesn't matter what oil you're using as long as it's a plant-based oil. So no Vaseline, no baby oil. Okay, we're going to warm that between the palms of our hands. Whatever oil you've taken, just have a moment to inhale and exhale through the mouth. Then press on the skin and glide over the face, down the neck. Smoothing. Nice and slow. Then we're going to start on the neck. So alternate hand to alternate side of the neck. Downwards, releasing, easing off the muscles. 8 to 10 times with each of the moves. And the other side. 1, 2, 3. 8. Down the throat. Nice and gentle. Pinching, not too firm, but enough so you can access the muscles. From chin to ear. Take that up onto the cheekbone. And then glide under your eyes with your knuckles. Take that onto the forehead, glide out. Place 2 fingers, or one, on your third eye and circle in one direction. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then reverse. 2, 3, 4. 9, 10. Take a pinch under your brow and hold. Release. Repeat. Pinch. Hold. Release. And for a third time. Pinch. Hold. Release. Circle the eyes inwards delicately. Whether that's 1 finger or 2. Repeat for 8. Maybe just gently nod your head up and down, eyes closed, as you're making those moves. Stop at the temples and circle. And then repeat the eye massage in the opposite direction. So coming out, over the brow, out, over the brow, out. Smooth the forehead. Side to side. Up to the hairline. Smooth it all down the neck, out and down. Breathing in as you push out, and exhale as you come down the neck. Let's do that again. Exhale, and one more time. Exhale. Finish with some delicate pumps just on the neck. And release. So hopefully you're now feeling a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more grounded. Face should be feeling delicately alive. You can do this type of massage after cleansing your face, maybe in bed, maybe in the bath, maybe a quiet place sat in the lounge or somewhere, but you know, somewhere where you can just have that moment to yourself for that self-care. I do also have some other massages which are a lot more anti-aging and maybe targeting on certain areas of the face like the jowls or the mouth. So you can find those on my channel. I will put some links below. And if you want some more knowledge on particular skincare or technical things like retinols, I've got a blog as well as other videos, and you can come and follow me on Instagram. So loads of places you can find me, but I love sharing these things with you guys. So please put your comments and questions below, and I really look forward to seeing you again soon.